Hello guys, my name is Dan and today I will show you how to enable a Telnet. Now what is Telnet? Telnet is those old protocol for connecting to a dial-up modem. Usually when you use Telnet service on Windows, you can connect to those old bulletin board website or BBS website. So here let me give you next a demonstration. As you can see here, this is the example website. This is what Telnet website looks like. Now you can also watch Star Wars movie. Everyone knows the trick. Towel, blinking likes, yeah, whatever. Okay, I didn't know the address, but because I forgot, now I will show you how to turn on your Telnet. As you can see here, go to your Windows search bar, search for turn Windows features on or off. There is no way to access this feature, but this is by far the quickest way. Now scroll down to this. Now usually when you install your Windows, your Telnet client is automatically turned off, turn on again. Click OK, and after that it will have a pop-up. It will bring a pop-up that says checking for features, and once that pop-up is done checking for features, it will ask you to restart. Click OK, and then your PC will reboot. After that, now you can go ahead and go to your command prompt, type Telnet. Now to access, just type O and type the address. Here I will give you the example. Now let us watch Star Wars, shall we? Type the address towel.blinkenlikes.nl. As you can see here, this is it, your full Star Wars experience. So that is it for now, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.